All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I wanted to try this out, man. These are tempered glasses with the UV light or whatever for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, you heard what happened before in my video with the Galaxy Note 10 Plus with my glass, and I wanted to try. I've heard of these. I wanted to try these though. It's got little instructions on here and everything. These were $5 a piece. So I bought two of them, you know, with tax and everything. Came to like $11 and some change. But I wanted to try these. I got two of them just in case, you know what I'm saying, because I have more than one Galaxy Note. But this is a cheap way to do the tempered glass, like the Whitestone Dome. This is a really thin, I can tell already. So I got to be careful. It's got this little light here. I'm gonna have to plug this up. This is crazy. But you know, for $5, you know, I can't expect much. And if this works just as good, I mean, the Whitestone Dome shattered, both of them shattered within a few days of having them. So I'll leave a link in the description for this. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get it put on, and let's see what we're working with here. Let me get me a little thing here so I can power this up with the little light here. This is crazy. This is weird, but they're doing the best that they can. So I'm gonna go ahead and get something here to get this powered, and let's get it going. Not a lot of that juice in there, that's for sure. So let's hope that this goes on good. So the speaker grill, I didn't cover it up. I didn't put anything on it. I should have, which is why you see me wiping it off right here to get that off, because it definitely is going to go down in there. So I'm going to try to adjust this here before I light it up and seal it up. But it's looking like this will be just as good as the Whitestone Dome, man. Honestly, it's sealed up way better than I thought. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these right here. This is not what this is for, but this doesn't come with any kind of thing to protect the, wow, this is cheap. $5 though, son, $5. Doesn't come with anything to protect the grill. So this is just my little hood rat way of protecting my speaker grill. All right, now I'm gonna put this on here. It's sealed up really fast, man, faster than I thought it would. And now I'm gonna light it up. I do have an ultra thin case on here, but the glass looks like it's seated pretty decently. I mean, $5, son. I mean, I'm not gonna complain too much. I'll clean the phone off afterwards, because this one didn't come with any kind of nothing to I mean, $5. I mean, you're not gonna hear me complain. I'm just gonna take it easy when I get to the top up there and try not to get around my speaker, because I didn't cover the speaker up. And I didn't bother cleaning my front glass because I took off a screen protector, so it was already clean. That's the Rinky screen protector, which worked perfectly fine. But I really felt more comfortable with glass. And the Rinky screen protector, after time, became like really grippy. And I wasn't really feeling that too much. It didn't feel as smooth. So probably the Whitestone Dome thing, the UV light, is definitely better than this. But for $5, I mean, you're gonna hear me say that over and over. It's definitely worth it. If this works, You know what I'm saying? This is $5.80 or something like that. $5.30. When you buy more than one, if you buy 3 of them, you get $5.30 at the moment. I'll leave a link in the description so you can grab this if you want it. You know what I'm saying? At your own risk, you do this to your device. I have no control over it. If you mess something up, if you block your speaker, because once that gel seals up in your speaker, man, it definitely, in your speaker grill up here, you're done, son. It's a wrap. It's a wrap. You might as well just take it apart, start trying to figure out a way to get it out of there. I'm just kind of running this along the thing here. You see the little lights or whatever. I'm just kind of running it along, try to seal it up. I'm really trying to avoid the top a lot up here. You know what I mean? Because again, I didn't have anything to do my speaker with. So now I'm going to just put this over here like this just to be sure. Again, this is the hood rat version of this video. It's the ghetto 5 version of this video. But, you know, if it works, though, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes less is more. You know what I mean? I know you hear that a lot, but it's true. Spending $5 on these, can't go wrong, man. Because if it doesn't work, it's better than losing $45 from Whitestone Dome. Hey, no disrespect to Whitestone Dome, but the Galaxy Note version of this glass sucked. I put out a video on it already. It sucked, man. It just wasn't good. It cracked for just no reason. It just shattered. All right, let's see what this thing is working with. Let's see if it's sealed up. Oh, it's sealed up already, son. Yeah, it's sealed up for sure. Yeah, I mean, yeah. And it's definitely nice once it's on there. I'm gonna get this joint all cleaned up. Look, I got stuff everywhere. Get it all cleaned up. Hopefully my microphone up top wasn't affected. I don't think it was, since I had it covered up. Let me get this cleaned up, son, and we'll get back at it. The verdict is in, son. Buy it. Buy it. Much better deal than the Whitestone Dome on a bad day. $5. This feels like the same quality. Feels like the same quality. I ran it under the water just to get a whole bunch of the, you know, that liquid off, the extra liquid. The screen looks good, man. It looks really good. Yeah. I'm feeling it. Look at that. Look at that, son. That's perfect, son. You can't even tell it's on there. It's definitely on there, though. Wow, let me get something to light it up with, so I can put that light down on it. Look at that, son. See if I can show it to you. That's crazy, son. You have to take my word for it. It's good. Final verdict, buy it. I don't think you'll be disappointed. Yeah, cut myself working on that car. Yeah, this is hot though. So $5 Whitestone Dome, I'm all in, son. See you in the next video. Links in the description.